it's my time to go to the dark side. Sorry for dyeing my hair again. I'm not using bleach, you know, because that's like the main monster. The dark side. Saturday morning. Mercury is out of retrograde and I feel like this isn't impulsive. I just want to like make it very clear. This is like 4-day hair and I have very fine, thin hair. So 4 days for me is pretty gross. I got some fake nails because I was watching Forensic Files and I bit my nails off and I was so upset with myself. I also got these hair ties. Again, I have fine hair and I need like the little baby tiny hair tie. I'm gonna brush my hair. We're gonna get started. This is the color I picked out. I spent 45 minutes on the hair color aisle. Like I've been using this. They sent it to me and I actually really love it. Not sponsored, by the way. This is the Hair Burst for longer, stronger hair with coconut and avocado oil. It smells so good. Check the description and we'll see what happens there. So this is the color that I picked up. I've used this box dye before. With some box dyes, my hair just feels dry for a long time. It takes a lot of work to put the moisture back into it. I have a lot of great. I'm gonna brush my hair. Every time I do go dark, I always go back light or I put highlights in. I hope that I don't regret this. I have these like highlighted pieces and then I have like this is my natural color right here. This like darker shade. I better love this. I better look like a sexy spy. Okay, so we have number 1, the developer, number 2, the colorant, and then number 3, the conditioner. I have gloves in here. All right, I'm reading the wrong language here. Put on gloves. Okay. Gloves are on. What's the next step? Move cap. Okay, fine. So we're gonna open that. There's a little pointy thing in here. It's fine. Ooh. Ooh. Mm. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. All right, and then we're gonna put this back on here and my back hurts. I'm gonna squat down like this, I guess. No, that hurts too. I'm getting old. All right, so I'm gonna take the little tippity tip of the top off and put this in my handy dandy trash can. I think I'm gonna put on my knees. That's what she said. Ow. I thought I was gonna be able to talk and do this, but I'm like, honestly scared. I'm like, wait, never mind. I don't want to do this. Okay, so Amalou, A-M-A space L-O-U. You're welcome. My husband's gonna come home right now from the gym and be like, really, this is what you're doing now? Okay, so now that like my roots are pretty much saturated, I split this in two. This side of my hair, like so. I just want to look pretty. Tinashe just came out with an album. If you guys are Tinashe fans, go listen. It's really fun. So I basically just made a huge mess that you cannot see that I'm gonna clean. This needs to stay in for 30 minutes, so I'll see you soon. My husband just got home.
Yeah. Dark.
Dried, we are ready. So I love the color. I went ahead and straightened it on like a really low setting, and it really is like the exact color that I wanted. I'm super happy with it. Where's my camera hole? Here or here? I don't fucking. Oh my god. This is so ridiculous. But this is my truth. I would pick out how I would pick out my box dye was like determined by the girl on the front. I'm like, she's pretty. Let's do that color. It's like, it doesn't work like that, you know? Coffee is hitting, you guys. The coffee is fucking hitting. You can use this box as your trash can. Like,